This video is a step-by-step tutorial to walk you through a NOAA Storm Events Database to access data for high winds. Specifically, we will be looking for wind speed in mile per hour or knots as the measurements for high wind. This database contains many different events, but to meet the requirement to include extent data for your plan, we will first focus on the most extreme or severe event in each hazard for your community. Your hazard mitigation plan should also include discussion on past occurrences and impacts of this hazard, and we will be showing you where you can find all of this information. To start, after accessing the link, you need to identify the time frame to search for the hazard event. Our recommendation is to begin at January 1st, 1950 to the present. Then select your county and event types. For event types, when selecting multiple, click and hold the control button until you've selected all of them. For high wind, you will select the following: high wind, hurricane, strong wind, thunderstorm wind, tornado, tropical depression, and tropical storm. The use of advanced search and filter options is not needed. If you do not see data for a specific event type, that does not mean it has not occurred for your community, so refer to local records when necessary. Once you hit submit, 12 columns will appear with a multitude of data. There are also multiple entries per event, which is broken down by municipality, so take some time to locate events close to or within your community. Then identify which specific event you want to look at first. This can be determined by date or location. You'll click the hyperlink in the location column to access more information about that specific event. Look through each event to find the highest wind speed event to include data for your plan. Specifically for tornado, if wind speed is not listed alongside the Fujita scale, then you can list this wind speed data in addition to wind speed data for non-tornado high wind events. Do not only list tornado wind speed for extent data. Once you've clicked on your event, you'll read through the event narrative, which will provide you with key event details and will provide you with the indicator data. If you continue to scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see all events for this episode. Here you will be able to learn more about other events associated with this storm. To create a holistic picture of the event, you can reference historical disaster impacts and loss estimates to infrastructure, facility systems, people, or essential capabilities. And this concludes our tutorial on high wind hazard data, and this video is a part of a series produced by Vermont Emergency Management's Hazard Mitigation Program. For more information, you can find us on the web, email us, and see more tutorials on our YouTube channel.